Welcome back to Business Now. The results from the 2023 mystery surveys have revealed that utility companies still have lots of work to do to improve service delivery to customers. The Office of Utilities Regulation released the findings last week. Details in this report.
According to the latest Mr. Shopping survey, the main utility service providers scored an average of 54% across all service channels in the delivery of customer service. These include retail outlets, website chats, social media platforms, mobile apps, and call centers. The Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, says the scores are less than desirable and indicate that the service providers have much work to do to improve their customer service delivery. They performed best in the following areas: Flow, call center and social media; Digicel, mobile app; JPS and NWC, call center. As for the areas requiring significant improvement, Flow and Digicel in-store, JPS and NWC digital platforms. The OUR says it has shared the results with the service providers for their action, particularly with the areas identified for improvement. The regulatory body also says it will continue to conduct these exercises annually as part of its strategy to assess the customer service delivery of the main utility service providers. In the meantime, the OUR says it secured over $200 million in compensation for utility customers in 2023. Guaranteed standards credits, it says, accounted for approximately $209.9 million, or 99%, while the remaining 1% was secured through the OUR's intervention into customers' appeals or complaints. For the Business Day, I'm Sandy Williams.
And just before we go to the break, some developing news. A raging fire in Downs, Manchester continues to wreak havoc for residents and farmers in the environs. The bushfire has been spreading since Sunday night and farmers are already counting their losses. Giovanni Dennis reports.
A rescue similar to a movie scene, but far from it. This little girl's house was surrounded by fire. She's among several residents in the Downs community in Blakespen, Manchester, affected by this raging bushfire. The fire started last night. Farmer Alex Bent was on honeymoon when he got the news.
Both me, the father, my brother, and other person that farmer.
So what mean you plant down there?
Plant tomato, melon, all different type of stuff.
So you were there when the fire started?
No, I was in Blacktown because I just get married Saturday.
So did you take care of your honeymoon?
Yeah, I get the car and I have to come up.
Alright, so
that's a good honeymoon.
Mr. Bent says he's lost over $500,000 in farming equipment and crops. 5 fire units from Manchester, Junction and Santa Cruz in St. Elizabeth are currently battling the blaze. Our news centre understands there's a water supply shortage. Residents are helping to supply water to firemen and some are now concerned the fire is getting closer to homes.
One house around the back, we are worried about at somebody home. As well, you can go burn and burn more home up the top.
They say this is not the first bushfire in the area.
Many years ago, get them a fire and get terrible, burn to Spur Tree. And the second year, burn to Elliston.
Many a time. Over the years, by the years, we have fire. When it comes to March month, okay.
Alex Bend says it will be difficult to pick up the pieces.
I was just trying because I was just in an accident 3 years ago, so I was just getting back myself together, so it's really bad.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.